Mm, mm, OTP. Mm, mm. I am sorry, I sent you a 6-digit code by SMS by mistake. Can you pass it to me, please? It's urgent. Oh, my dear. Poor fellow sent me the message by mistake. Sent. The WhatsApp OTP scam is on the rise in India with lots of users complaining about security breaches with their account. So, what is a WhatsApp OTP scam and how can we protect ourselves from it? Let's find out. Hello, salam and namaste. Welcome back to yet another tech video with me, Asad Virani. In this video, we will talk about the WhatsApp OTP scam. WhatsApp is the most popular messaging app globally, with India having almost 390 million active users. That translates to 26% of total WhatsApp users in the world. A recent scam has suddenly surfaced, raising privacy concerns in India, being termed as the WhatsApp OTP scam. It involves hacking into someone's WhatsApp account and getting access to sensitive data like personal chats, images, and videos. The scam is currently making rounds with scammers hacking into your WhatsApp account with the help of an OTP, which is a 6-digit code. You could get a message from a friend or an unknown contact asking you to help them out as they are in some sort of an emergency. The hacker will then ask you to forward you an OTP number sent to you by mistake. And the moment you share that number with them, your WhatsApp account is gone and you will be locked out of your WhatsApp maybe forever. Giving the OTP to the scammer will give him full access to your WhatsApp account and he can play the same trick with your friends in your contact list. The hacker can also collect sensitive data which is private and confidential. Hence, even if you get a message from a known contact asking you to forward them an OTP sent to you by mistake, don't jump the gun. Hold on, call them and check with them to make sure the account is not hacked. So, what is this OTP all about? You must have noticed when you bought a new phone or when you upgraded your phone, you had to reinstall WhatsApp. When you reinstall WhatsApp or you install WhatsApp for the first time, WhatsApp will ask you for your mobile number. After you enter the mobile number, it will send you an OTP message on that particular number to make sure it is you. What scammers are doing is that they are entering your mobile number in their phone, and then when the OTP comes to you, they are asking you to forward the OTP to you. And you, without knowing, at times would forward the OTP to them. What do they do with this? They will get access to most of your sensitive data. At times, they can also get access to your bank accounts and your other personal information. Now, let me tell you how to be protected from this fraud. All you need to do is enable two-factor authentication on your WhatsApp. Let me show you how to enable it. After opening WhatsApp, tap on Settings, then select Account, then tap on Two-Step Verification. When you select the two-step verification, you will get an Enable button. Tap on the Enable button and it will ask you to enter a 6-digit code. You will be asked to re-enter the code to make sure you have not done any mistake. This 6-digit code is not the OTP that you have received. It's a unique number which you can decide for yourself. After you enter the 6-digit code the second time, you will be asked to enter an email address. When you confirm the email address, your two-step verification will be activated. You can disable the two-step verification from your phone whenever you want it, but I would advise never to do that. Once the two-step verification is activated, you will notice that WhatsApp will keep on frequently asking you to enter the 6 digit as in when you use the WhatsApp app. But this is only for your safety. I hope you liked the video. So please like, comment, share, subscribe and forward this to your friends so they are also aware of this scam and they can safeguard themselves from this. And if you want to know about any more such tips, write in the comment below and I will make a video on that too. So that's it from me. Thank you so much and have a good day.